All right, now welcome back. Now, the immediate past president of Nigeria, Goodluck Jonathan, in the catch your own, I go talk your own cools. No, not cools. No.
Swag.
You know when fans start to attack you,
blast.
You know they catch your own blast from fans on top Facebook. Now, during the weekend, he posted a video, January 15 precisely. He actually posted a caption of the interview where he do with Vanguard newspaper, where he talks say, I don't learn not to look up to any man, except the man they taller than I did, or to look down on a fellow mortal, except I they admire in show. Now, this particular statement, so we're there on your screen, don't make a lot of people insult him. Now, person, Fatah Ibrahim writes, say, Oga Jonah, you seem to be obsessed with shoes. Before, it was you get no shoe. But now, it is you are admiring other people's shoe. Abba, Oga Jonah. Anyway, you will soon be admiring the shoes of EFCC interrogators that will soon be grilling you over Dansuki Gate. What else will you be able to do other than to be admiring their shoes when you have to answer the question they will be asking you? To avoid that embarrassment, just start running away now so that the long hands of EFCC will not catch you easily. Just for that statement. Another one, Oladipo writes, say, Oga Jonah, shoes are always your problem. That's why you lost focus. I can only look upon God, not a man. Nasir Yahya Ibrahim writes, say, shoeless president. Now you have more shoes to admire, so I don't think you will ever admire any. And we just pick one last comment. At Emmanuel Bello Amusa, you talk, say, your second name, na Kirikiri. Now, waiting people, if you see the comments about up to 2,000 something comments of some attacking now. But the good part of it is say a lot of people actually come to a rescue to talk, say, you don't mean anything bad about the statement. Ladies, let's look at the statement. In his own words, in English, I'll put them on English, but just pardon me. He said, I've learned not to look up to any man, except he's taller than I, or to look down on a fellow mortal, except I am admiring his shoes. Anything they wrong with this statement?
Absolutely nothing.
No.
See, when it comes to all the social media things, where you say you go post something and then you see a lot of people respond. Now from there you go feed decipher the level of reasoning and understanding of a lot of Nigerians.
God bless you.
Now from this singular thing where we say our ex-president pays and the response where you get from him, you go know say the level of illiteracy for inside we Obodo Nigeria, it don't actually escalate, and the government needs to do something about them. Because if
now.
No, the truth of the matter.
Yes.
Because if person just put this thing a simple parable where they use talk say, okay, you know what, I just dey content with where I dey.
Yes.
I don't get any mentor, and at the same time I not go look down say, okay, I dey snub person. That's simple logic. Now even 10-year-old, where you say just finished primary school, this thing they very commonsensical enough for the person to understand them. So if people now come, they decide, say, okay, they want their attack, they want bash, they want talk. Now the problem where we get with Nigerians with that everybody just want open mouth talk, but nobody want think waiting then they talk before they open their mouth, bring the words come outside. Everybody they shout EFCC. Waiting they even know be the full meaning of EFCC first of all.
Some of them
don't even know the job of
Financial Crimes
EFCC for inside the Obodo Nigeria. Some of them don't even know why EFCC they arrest the Dasuki Gate and they shout up and down Dasuki Gate. Everybody just want talk come outside. So okay, I don't talk. Now Shebi the boy don't talk now, he don't they trend for Twitter. Now he caught to fame with that.
But yeah, you don't remember that video where they trend online where they ask person, say, what do you think about the new Minister of Petroleum, Santa Claus? And it was a Santa Claus.
Santa Claus has a lot of work to do.
You don't know about it.
He needs to.
Now, because social media just there now for you to interact with anybody, you just feel say anything where person talk, you can just
See, now this thing when they call Android phone, I mean a new phone, provided now the thing don't cheap, everybody buy them. So every Tom, Dick, and Harry get social media apps, just sign in, open the email, and that is all. How can you ask a fellow Nigerian, who do you leave your trash for?
Loma.
No, what did the guy say? I just leave it out there. I don't know what is going on. Is it God or what?
There's a lot of things they happen. They ask person, this same social media, they asked person recently, they say, okay, what if you talk about the missing budget? Then the guy say, you don't know why missing budget will be issue for inside with Obodo Nigeria. Say, we get other pressing issues. Like that, our canned fish. Why you say the head of the fish, not the day inside?
Are you kidding me?
I'll show you when we finish the show. So a lot of things.
Not www, they ask person, say Wikipedia, World Web. and you ask, as in,
well, if you ask,
because you did social media, if you
can ask a fellow
anybody.
Nigerian, what is your tribe? The girl no say Yoruba, she no say Hausa, she no say Igbo. She say Edo. Edo is a state. No, now seriously. When you're looking for a job, if you go for interview and you're the one, you're a panel of judges, let's just call it like that, you will suffer. Okay, you're good, you know, you went to school. Yes, I went to school. Okay, what is your blood group? Operating system, OS, because which genotype is OS?
But you know, at this point,
in as much as we they laugh over all these things, a lot of things they wrong with our system, we need to address. Now, not the issue of say, okay, we they wait for government all the time, because now people go say, okay, the government needs to do this one. Oh, the government has failed. Oh, the government has done this. But a lot of things. Recently, on top online, I actually see one picture where they put over a hospital. Now, with the complaint, Lassa fever. Rats, they run up and down for inside hospital.
Especially government-owned hospital, my darling. See, trust me, I don't enter government-owned hospital and I see how the place be, and I ask myself, say, okay, do I expect someone to be healed from this hospital? Mosquito everywhere. You see lizards, you see even rats everywhere for inside maternity hall. And then you go to wonder, say, what thing they actually happen. Now, for me, I feel say at this point, Nigerians, they need to take them easy before they respond, especially on top social media. They need to actually dissect and decipher.
Decipher.
And decipher the particular statement first before they actually start the attack. Now, social media are there for you to just interact with anybody. You know, means you start to insult people when you never actually
know waiting they happen.
You need to have some level of respect.
Anybody.
Now, apart from the fact that this man in question, our ex-president, him na person, Papa, and Nigerians, we get culture. You know, go just open your mouth because you get social media and talk anyhow.
I'm telling you.
In the words of Obi Martins, do it with decorum.
Decorum on social media? Beautiful. All right, but you were out there. Let us know what you think about particular quote where the president actually come out. You feel, say, anything they wrong or anything they bad in this particular thing when you talk, say, you know, they look up to any man, except say, they actually admire the man's shoe. Is anything wrong with it? Is anything wrong with it? Let us know. Look down on any man, except say in the Look the Man show. Now enter Twitter, Talk Wazobia, or enter Facebook, Talk-Wazobia TV. Now moving on, ladies. Una need to wait for this particular story. And it concerns this girl where they look for a job, we actually apply. And the response where she gets go actually surprise you. Now, this particular story we see on top Twitter. And one of our friends now actually post on top Twitter, her name na Abiba. He post on top Twitter. In talk say, a friend just applied for a customer care job online, only for one Dave Osas, and we claim to be a member of the HR team to send her this particular message. Now, I'll actually read this message out. Most of them I will put English join. Now, he talk say, hello, Ms. Busola. You apply for customer care representative for inside this particular organization. He said this organization gets 24 spots open for customer care representative, where we shortlist 3 candidates for each position for an interview. That one be 72 in total. I did part of the HR team, waiting for inside shortlistnigeria.com. I don't go through your CV, but sorry, we not fit shortlist you. But I feel assist you to get the interview. This one day unethical, and an idea we are saying not good, not be the right process to follow. But all you need to do, if you see they're interested in the job, now for you to send me a short video of you, they please yourself. He said you don't need to show your face for the video. Just send out to me of you, they please yourself, and then I go actually support you with your CV. He said by next week, you go get interview invite. I can put in good words for you, but that's how far I can go. You will have to battle your way through 3 other applicants. Now, this particular letter, a response from this Dave Osas from HR team for inside this organization, do actually raise a lot of comments online. Now, some people, they talk, say, I see one particular reply from someone online. He talk, say, make she do am now, at least her face no go show. You know how hard it is to get job for Nigeria?
No way.
Betiana, yes. As in, I see him on Twitter and I was surprised. But I actually hear him say they don't, a particular group, don't they look for this particular man for the organization and they must surely sue him.
They say they look for him. How about, why did they lie?
And they go surely sue him to court. You know, say it's not easy for you to just come up like that, especially if not be police. Police will actually just enter, and this particular organization, they everywhere.
Okay.
So how you want to take actually ascertain which particular
for me,
branch
that one also
person.
but if they go their headquarters, they're supposed to get database of every.
I know, but you know how, like, what's your reason? You know how you need to follow process. Maybe you need to take this letter, or you need to contact the girl in question, then take the letter to the police, then the police are.
But that's when the guy don't reach Dubai now.
But you know what?
Because it gets, for me, it gets certain situations where you go cut off due process. When it comes to serious things like this.
They're not going to listen to you. That security men go drive you. It don't happen to me.
So very good. So if at the end of the day, they don't find the man in question, then go hold the organization.
But wait, before we talk inside, let me ask another question. You don't ever receive any ridiculous offer from a prospective employer? You don't ever a ridiculous offer.
My own is just doing interview.
Actually employ you inside the
My own is just doing interview. It was just interview. Then we they serve for Abuja. So this company put adverts. I apply. They said now this door making company, these strong nice doors. So we can't go there for around Wuse side. We can't see us with plenty. But I say most of us be babes. I dress sharp, everybody dress sharp. So when we can't sit down, they say they want to see our legs and how we look. Now there I know say. Iturubeke, the thing don't enter, be careful. Oturubeke, this don't enter, be careful. As I look my leg or everything, I shall see, say, this kind of marketing strategy where I go they do, it make sense. Now I just pack my pali, waka, they go. It just that there is stop. But for this matter, when it happen now, another thing they come to play. I should say when we find job, we don't put our CV for so many websites. So if it be say, the email no come from where they come from.
Fraud.
Now fraudulent email. So it be like say if it no even come from them, that's why they investigate. Because I don't receive emails say make I can't do interview for Ikorodu. Which kind of email be that? Which company did it?
Yeah.
Different things. Text message. You go come. People don't even go email. Say come get interview. Go come there. They go tell you say register with this amount of money and do
that one you gonna send a scam now.
Petrina, what do you think about that?
For me, I agree with Hawa when she say if it is possible, say the email not actually come from that organization. But at the same time, I also do have the opinion say they're very possible and say this no be the man first time of doing such a thing.
Wow.
Maybe he don't they do them and they get away with them all this time. And now God just won't catch and say, okay, you know what's in your cup don't full. But for me, a lot of I like the fact that the girl no actually go ahead with them unlike the monkey where they say they made the girl do them because they had job in Nigeria. Now. Yes, to an extent, job they had to find for Nigeria, but those way we say they actually put themselves out there, then they find job to do. Because everybody in Nigeria, they also say, okay, you know what, I must wear suit to do job. Some go say, oh, you know what, I must get job where we say then they paint my face up and down every day. Some go say, no, I know if you do job where we say that dirty job where people go see me, they carry. But everybody no go do white collar job. Not be everybody go work for bank. Not be everybody go work for inside TV station. Not be everybody go be artist. They go studio from morning till night say they want produce music. A lot of other jobs they outside. We just need to look deep, search, and then find our own creative juice so that we go fit do something in life.
Yeah, for me, I know say job they had, but in the process of looking for a job, never sell yourself. Now, which I just feel, because if you sell yourself in that process, trust me, you're not going to last for that job. Now, I don't actually go for interview where they tell me, say, in 2 years' time, you're not feel married. In 2 years' time, you're not feel actually born.
Why?
I don't know. And they want to take me for marketing team. And then I had to piante, because what if I see a man in 2 years' time and I'm married?
Oui, baby, marry me. How
All right, we're going to need to buy small break. Now, when we come back, a new research, don't come outside talk, say Nigerian girls, they like to bleach well. And people, they come outside, blame them on society. How true with this? And also, our guests go join us at the studio and we'll go talk about how to avoid procrastination, how to kill the spirit of procrastination when we come back after the break.
I have bleaching cream.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.